Hello everyone, my name is Saira Martin and today's presentation is all about me. To begin with, I'm from Berrino, New Mexico, which is a small town located in between Las Cruces, New Mexico and El Paso, Texas. This is a very small town, which means that everybody knows everybody and everyone holds a very strong sense of community, which is something that I love and appreciate. This area is also very heavy on agriculture, which is something that my family and I have been involved in for many years, including the production and processing of pecan. I'm a member of a family of 8, which includes my mom, my 2 brothers, and our 4 dogs, Kika, Kita, Samson, Rocky, which are all very playful and energetic pups and definitely make our days a whole lot brighter and happier. Some of my favorite things, my favorite color is olive green. My favorite beverage is iced coffee and boba tea. I love plants and it's always been very difficult for me to keep them alive, so succulents and cacti are definitely my favorite. My favorite animal is cows. There's a lot of dairy farms in my area, and it makes me very happy to be able to see cows on my way to work and school every day. My favorite season of the year is fall. I just love to see all the colors and all the trees changing. Currently, my favorite application on my phone is TikTok, which I definitely spend too much time on, but is very entertaining. My favorite TV show is The Office. I could binge watch The Office all day if possible. And some of my favorite hobbies include hiking, scrapbooking, and reading. This will be my 4th year at NMSU, and in these 4 years, I've had the opportunity to join several different clubs and organizations, which have helped me develop and grow as a person and as a student. Some of the clubs that I have been more involved in include the College Assistance Migrant Program, which helped me successfully complete my first year of college. The Pride of New Mexico Marching Band, where I played the alto saxophone and developed a lot of strong friendships while creating music, and the Associated Students of New Mexico State University, where I served a 2-year term as an Associate Justice and a 1-year term as Chief Justice. Like I said, these clubs and organizations have definitely helped me grow and develop as a person, as a student, and as a professional, and have been an integral and important part of my career here at NMSU. In the next 5 years, I hope to be graduating with my undergraduate degree soon and attending graduate school shortly after. I would love to have a career in advocacy and research, perhaps academia. On a more personal side, I would love to travel, get out of New Mexico for a little bit and see what else there is out there. Thank you all for listening, and I hope this presentation helped you get a better idea of who I am.